Hello students, welcome to class. It's another time with Excel Academy. Let's look at this question. It says that calculate the amount of hydrochloric acid in 40 centimeter cube of 0.40 mole per dm cube dilute HCl. So this question is under mole concept 1. Now we have to find the amount of hydrochloric acid. That's our N of HCl. We are given our volume, the volume of HCl to be equals to 40 centimeter cube. Now, we know amount concentration is the amount of substance in mole dissolved in 1 dm cube of a solution. So I'm supposed to convert this volume in centimeter cube to decimeter cube. And to do that, I'm supposed to divide this one by 1,000. So we have 40 divided by 1,000. And this gives us a value of 0.04 dm cube. Now we know our concentration of HCl to be 0.40 mole per dm cube. Now for mole concept 1, we understand that concentration is equals to the number of moles over the volume of the solution. Now we've been given the concentration, we also know the volume. We want to find our number of moles or the amount of hydrochloric acid. So let's cross multiply. So N of HCl is the amount of hydrochloric acid equals to the concentration times the volume. Now our concentration is 0.4 times our volume is 0.04. And that gives us a value of 0.016 mole. So the amount of hydrochloric acid is 0.016 mole. Thank you for joining. See you in the next video.